Hello everyone, I am Mr. Tori and now I will help you to overview lesson today about the rate of a change. We before said that the rate of a change limit h approaches to 0 f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 over h. dy by dx is the rate of a change. Let we remember that. So find the function of the average rate of a change at x equal -2 for the function f of x to x power 2 minus 5. Then find the rate of a change at the same point. So the average rate of a change AH equal f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 all over h. x1 equal -2, so it will be -2 plus h minus f of -2 all over h. By substitution in the function, 2 multiply -2 plus h power 2 minus 5 minus 2 times -2 power 2 minus 5 all over h. So it will be 2 4 minus 4h plus h power 2 minus 5 minus this will be 8 minus 5 equals 3 over h. So 2 times 4 equal 8 minus 8h plus 2h power 2. -5 minus 3 equal -8, so -8 cancel with 8 all over h. Take h common factor from the numerator, so h open bracket -8 plus 2h all over h. Cancel h with h, so it will be -2 plus 2h. This is the average rate of a change. The rate of a change dy by dx equals to limit h approaches to 0 to the average rate of a change function. So it will be limit h approaches to 0 -8 plus 2h. By substitution about h equals 0, it will be -8 plus 2 times 0 equals to -8. The next example, find the rate of a change of the function when x equals x1 for each of the following, then find the rate of a change at the given values of x. So the average, the rate of a change. So the rate of a change dy by dx equal to limit h approaches to 0 f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 all over h. It will be limit h approaches to 0 3 x1 plus h power 2 plus 2 minus 3 x1 power 2 plus 2 all over h. So limit h approaches to 0 x1 plus h power 2, it will be 3 x1 power 2 plus, because bracket power 2 expand in 3 term, it will be x1 power 2 plus 2 x1h plus h power 2. So multiply by 3, so 3 x1 power 2 plus 6 x1h plus 3h power 2 plus 2 minus 3 x1 power 2 minus 2 all over h. Here I will cancel 2 with 2 and 3x1 power 2 with 3x1 power 2. So limit h approaches to 0. You will take h common factor from the numerator. It will be 6x1 plus 3h all over h. Cancel h, so limit h approaches to 0, 6x1 plus 3h. As h approaches to 0, so 3 times 0 equals 0, so it will be 6x1. The value of x will be 2, so the rate dy by dx, as x equal 2, it will be 6 times 2 equals to 12. The next example, f of x is 3 over x minus 2, so dy by dx, the rate of change, equal limit h approaches to 0, f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 all over h. So it will be limit h approaches to 0, 3 over x1 plus h minus 2 plus 3 over x1 minus 2 all divided by h. Here limit h approaches to 0, the common denominator x1 minus 2 times 3, it will be 3x1 minus 6 minus 3 times x1 plus h minus 2, it will be 3x1 plus 3h minus 6 all over x1 plus h minus 2 time x1 minus 2 over h. It will be here, so x1, 3x1 will be cancelled with 3x1, and the negative 6 cancel with negative 6, so the numerator will be negative 3h. So limit h approaches to 0, negative 3h over h x1 plus h minus 2 time x1 minus 2. Cancel h with h, and by substitution about this h 0, it will be negative 3 over x1 minus 2 power 2. This is dy by dx. As x equal 5, so it will be negative 3 over 5 minus 2 power 2. This is will be 3 power 2 equal 9, negative 3 over 9 equal negative 1 over 3. The next one, f of x root x minus 5 when x equal 9. So limit dy by dx equals to limit h approaches to 0, f of x1 plus h minus f of x1 all over h. So it will be limit h approaches to 0, root x1 plus h minus 5 minus root x1 minus 5 all over h. Multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate, so limit h approaches to 0, the numerator will be x1 plus h minus 5 minus root x1 minus 5, multiply it by the conjugate, it will be root x1 plus h minus 5 plus root x1 minus 5 over the same conjugate x1 plus h minus 5 plus root x1 minus 5 and h. So the limit h approaches to 0, x1 plus h minus 5 minus x1 plus 5 over h multiply root x1 plus h minus 5 plus root x1 minus 5. X cancel with x and